8 divided by 6 we can write as. Similarly, 8 divided by 6 we can write as. So 8 divided by 6 divided by 8 divided by 6 equals to 1. But trust me, this answer is wrong because the order of operation, which is called PEMDAS rule. According to the rule of PEMDAS, whenever an expression there are more than one division, then always we can solve it from left to right. Okay student, now I can remove this wrong method and start the correct solution of this math question. So 8 divided by 6 we can write as 8 divided by 6 divided by 8, and divided by 6 I can write as it is. Now here if I simplify 8 divided by 6, then it can be equals 4 divided by 3 and divided by 8 divided by 6. Now here whenever we change this division to multiplication, then numerator is changed to denominator and denominator is changed to numerator, and we can write the given form as 1 over 8 multiply by 1 over 6. Okay, here 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So the final answer of this math question, 1 times 1 is 1 divided by 3 times 2 equals 6. 6 times 6 equals to 36. Student, this is the final answer of this math question. Tell me in the comment section that what is your answer of this math question. Thanks for watching.